Hello friends, I am going to show you how to crack your advanced video compressor and use it for free for a lifetime without paying any money to EPC and without any type of disturbance or any type of window pop-up window showing that registering forever. And all you need to first do that to download, you have to download the link provided below this YouTube video, and after downloading you will find a zip file and you have to extract it with any extractor like WinZipper, BitZipper, or anything software you have. After extracting you will find these three files which is named one is crack, one is a video compress 2012, and one is readme text. So you will have to do first, you have to click on the readme text, and remember one thing, you have to follow the instructions provided in this readme text folder. You will not get any problem, not face any problem if you will do it as it is written in this readme folder. So you have to minimize this, and first it is written that install Advanced Video Compressor 2012. So you all need to install first this file. So okay, I am now launching this Advanced Video Compressor. All you need to do, okay, this is the window. All you need to do, what you need to do, click on this message and don't show this message again, and click on OK and close this window. After that you need to go to the readme txt notepad and see, close it for now. After that as you are seeing, copy paste the crack abc.exe in the folder, and so then you need to go to the crack folder and you need to copy this and paste it in your program files or program files x86, whatever file contains your third-party software folders. That may be your program files or maybe program x86, and as my default folder is program x86 file, and I need to go to this folder, and as you are seeing that there is a folder named Advanced Video Compressor here, and I have to click here, and after that I need to paste it, and as you are seeing there is a window showing that copy or replace, that is a warning window. So you need to click on the first, and yes, you will need to provide administrator permission to copy this folder. Click on continue. So you need to do nothing, you need to close this. After doing this, you copy and replace. Yes, it is showing that we have done earlier, so you need to close it and click on this. Okay, as you are seeing that we have cracked it successfully, and you are seeing that it is showing that license to unlimited business license. So congratulations, you have cracked it. Thank you for watching this video. I think it may be helpful for you.